you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's the first food pantry haul of the hot days of summer. Come on, let's check out what I got and what I'm gonna make with the food that I got. Starting from the left to the right, we have some wonderful canned goods. I've got 2 cans of black beans. That's right on time for the summer because I am gonna do some black beans with Mexican food night. Yes, I am. I also got a huge can of mixed vegetables that'll go good with the barbecue. Then we got some refried beans. I got 2 cans of those. Two cans of red kidney beans. Now, you know what I'm gonna make? Red kidney bean salad. Then I've got some mixed greens. So you need mixed green beans. 2 cans of those. Then we got some yellow clean peaches sliced. I'm gonna use these for a smoothie. I got some sweet kernel corn. Pink salmon for salmon salad. And look at this, vegetable oil. Oh, I needed that. I also got some Taco Bell mild sauce. I think I'll use that on taco night. It'll be fun, you know, kitschy little taco night. Then we got a tomato soup and a cream of chicken soup. Then we got some peanut butter and jelly. I also got some beans. What are these? Pinto beans. Cook those up. I love some good beans. Then we've got some oatmeal. Oatmeal. We're gonna have. Look, I got another ingredient down the line. I'm gonna show you, but we're gonna have some oatmeal and cherry cookies because Miss Brenda is gonna fix those for us because I got the ingredients. Then we got some buttermilk bread, country style. 2 packs of white rice, the long grain style. Then we got some macaroni and cheese. I got 2 boxes of those. I make my own cheese sauce to go with it. Then we got some knockoff. I had a little way to say that. What do you call these things? Fruit Loops. Yeah. These are just as good, taste the same. Then I've got 2 packs of spaghetti, which will go in handy for my kidney bean salad. Then going over here, I'm defrosting my water. I've got some Lunchables for Jay. I got 2 ham and cheese lunch kits. Then I got some blueberry snacks for him. I got some celery. Guys, look at this. This is the good stuff. This is so fresh. I'm going to immediately try to reroot this. Immediately. Then we've got a honeydew, green pepper, 6 oranges, 2 bananas, some frozen blueberries, which you'll get a sneak peek at the drink I'm going to make, and of course the dried cherries. Ooh, to make the cookies. I can't wait. Then we got some, star cookies for the 4th of July, sugar cookies, red and blue. We've got some cornbread. That'll go good with those beans. Or something else I got down here. I also got 1% milk in the carton. And I got a 2% milk in the plastic half gallon. We've got some ground turkey. We got, check this out. I couldn't believe it. Don't know how I got it. Let me turn this around so you can read it. Cornish game hens. Are you serious? Yes, yes, yes. Then we have some chili with no beans. That will be good, and it's lower sodium. That will be so good on some hot dogs or with this cornbread. Now let's take a pan of everything we got. Remember, every Tuesday I'm going to be putting out a new video, and every Thursday I'm going to be putting out a new video. I finally got my schedule down pat. This is going to be the first video, and it's Happy Tuesday Food Pantry Day. Now, I'm going to show you guys some recipes all throughout the week in between the videos as much as I can of what you do with what you get from the food pantry, okay? Also, like, comment, and subscribe. Buy me a cup of coffee if you can to help support the channel. Tell as many people as you can about the channel. I want you to write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I'm a little backed up, but I will get to everybody, okay? And the cookbook is coming. It's almost finished. Almost finished. It took longer than I thought it was going to take. Otherwise, I wouldn't say anything about it. But, so crazy. But, do that for me, and don't be ashamed to go to the food pantry. Listen, it's hot, it's summer. We're going to do some summer drinks from the food pantry. Yep, kid-friendly drinks and some adult-friendly drinks. Depends on what you like for yourself. If you're an adult, go ahead and make you a kid-friendly drink. I do it all the time. All right, big love from Uncle Chris, and I'm going to see you again. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?